Okay guys, going to show you a little ride here due to the fact that I'm going to go down to the beach. So it's going to bring you on for a little bike ride here to show you guys about Belleville and about our path, and go for a little bike ride to the beach. So let's bear with me here and go for a nice little ride. And I can show you guys what Belleville's all about on our trail. It's a beautiful trail we actually do have here. Pretty cool. It's relaxing. I didn't forget anything over there. I think I did. And I do have everything on here. Alright. Oh, we got a fisherman already coming to my damn spot. Not gonna catch nothing, buddy. Too shallow. Alright. Beautiful ride. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the bike ride. I'll pass by these guys. People leaving their dog on trails. This is a nice relaxing bike ride. It's all downhill too, so I don't even have to pedal. So here's the river. Goes all the way down from up north. Goes down to the south to Lake Ontario. I love coming out for bike rides, guys. It's the most refreshing time of the year and the best time to get fresh air through your body. This guy's just running on the run side. Stay on your own side. Alright, well the beach is up here, guys, that I want to do. So I'm going to switch to my video camera after this and do some metal detecting. This is where I want to go right here. So I gotta park my bike somewhere.